The Holy Prophet ﷺ's unmatched standard in establishing the unity of God. He did not only forbid associating partners with God, but explained its pitfalls with argumentation and developed an aversion for it within the people. The teaching revealed to him was so impactful and complete that after understanding it, it was impossible to reject. He himself was a living example of Islam and showed practically how to implement its teachings. He was concerned that people might one day begin worshipping him just as followers of other religions worship their prophets. He strictly advised never to make him the object of associating partners with God, but to keep attention towards the one true God. Every incident from his life shows his passion and longing to establish the unity of God. From childhood until prophethood, his entire life reflected the oneness of God. Quranic teachings on God's unity. And we sent no messenger before thee, but we revealed to him, saying, There is no God but I, so worship me alone. Chapter 21, verse 26. Say, Verily, I am commanded to worship Allah, being sincere to him in religion. Chapter 39, verse 12. And worship Allah and associate naught with him. Chapter 4, verse 37. And your God is one God, there is no God but He, the Gracious, the Merciful. Chapter 2, verse 164. Say, He is Allah, the One, Allah, the Independent and besought of all. He begets not, nor is He begotten, and there is none like unto Him. Chapter 112, verse 2-5. God rejects all forms of associating partners with him and instructed the Holy Prophet ﷺ to announce this to the world. It is now the duty of his followers to continue announcing this message. This teaching refutes the deteriorated messages of previous religions and helps a person attain nearness to God. The most perfect example of this was the Holy Prophet ﷺ, whose every moment was spent establishing the unity of God. The Holy Prophet ﷺ upholds the unity of God even in his childhood. Buwana was a revered idol of the Quraysh. Abu Talib would go to worship there and wished to take the young Muhammad ﷺ, but he always refused. Once upon his insistence, he went but quickly returned frightened. He said that whenever he approached the idol, he saw a man in white saying, "O Muhammad, stand back, do not come near this idol." After that, he never took part in idol worship. During a journey to Syria, a Christian priest named Bahira spoke to him. The young Muhammad ﷺ said, "Do not speak to me about Lat or Uzza. By God, I despise nothing more than them." Later, during trade in Syria, when asked to swear by Lat and Uzza, he replied, "I have never sworn by these idols. When I pass by them, I turn away." The message of one God brings about a revolutionary change. In search of the oneness of God, the Holy Prophet ﷺ would retreat to the cave of Hira. At the age of 40, he received the first revelation, which would bring the world to know the true unity of God. The promised Messiah ﷺ, who described how the Holy Prophet ﷺ transformed a society steeped in godlessness into one that turned completely to one God. They offered sacrifices and devotion unmatched in history. He took a people like wild beasts and made them civilized, educated, and then people of God who were ready to be slain but never faltered in faith. In establishing the unity of God, he was like another Adam and the pinnacle of all prophets. Today, many Muslims have let go of this complete teaching. As followers of Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad alayhi salam, it is our responsibility to uphold and spread Islam's teachings of the unity of God, especially in Ramadan. If we truly love the Holy Prophet ﷺ, we must do our utmost in upholding the unity of God. Charity begins at home. And warn thy nearest kinsmen. Chapter 26, verse 215. Though the message was for the whole world, the Holy Prophet ﷺ was instructed to begin with his family. He stood on Mount Safa and called the tribes of Quraysh. He asked if they would believe him if he warned of an army behind the mountain. They replied that he was always truthful. He then declared that he had been sent by God and that they should follow him for salvation. They began mocking him, yet he remained steadfast. Steadfastness despite severe opposition. Hazrat Mirza Bashir Ahmad radhiyallahu anhu writes that the opposition faced by the Holy Prophet ﷺ was proportionate to the magnitude of his mission. The Quraysh were deeply attached to their idols, and Islam's clear commandment was not to bow before any human, tree, rock, or star, but to prostrate before Allah alone. The idols were declared the fuel of hell, which the Quraysh found insulting. The promised Messiah ﷺ described how for 13 years Muslims faced unimaginable cruelties, yet they were instructed not to retaliate. They remained steadfast. Hazrat Mirza Bashiruddin Mahmud Ahmad radiallahu anhu explained that the Holy Prophet ﷺ showed the idolaters that their idols could not answer prayers or help them. Instead, he presented the one God who hears, answers, and bestows light. He taught that fulfilling the rights of God includes fulfilling the rights of His creation, spending wealth on the needy, treating women with respect, caring for orphans and widows, and showing justice, mercy, and kindness. This is true monotheist. When the chiefs of Mecca offered wealth and leadership in exchange for stopping his denunciation of idols, he replied with tears that even if they placed the sun in his right hand and the moon in his left, he would never abandon the unity of God. His Holiness, may Allah be his helper, said that it is our duty to spread the message of the one God and do whatever is in our power to fulfill this responsibility.